In this video, I'm going to be doing a mid drop fade tutorial, and I'm going to begin by combing out the hair, and then I'm going with the grain. And I have on the number 1 guard. As you can see, he has a nice wave pattern. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Thomas. I'm a licensed barber, and I make barber related content and also haircut tutorials. So comment below another haircut tutorial you guys would like to see. Next, I take the 1.5 guard, and I'm going to debulk the weight on the side of the head. And I'm going up to the parietal ridge, and the parietal ridge is just that side of the head where the head starts to round off. So I'm going right up to that point. And the reason I do this is to get the bulk of the hair out of the way so I can see what I'm blending easier. Now I take my trimmer and make my bald guideline. This is like a mid/drop fade. So as you can see, I dipped it down in the back, but it's still about midway. So that's why I call it a mid drop fade. I'm more so just contouring the fade with the shape of his head. So here I have the clipper with the lever fully open, and I'm making a guideline almost 1 inch high. And as you see, I'm leaving that area near his curve, I'm leaving that area dark. Because when I line it up, I want it to be as dark as possible. And keep your guideline even all the way across as far as the height. So next, the lever is fully closed, and I'm going to gradually open the lever as I blend up. And I'm going to open it 1 notch each time I go up. So there you saw me open up the notch, and I'm going up just a little bit higher. Then you see me open up the lever 1 more time, and I'm going right up under that top guideline. I'm not going up to it, but right up under it. So you guys see how I keep having to adjust his head? That's one thing you're going to have to deal with certain clients. Every time I put his head where I wanted it, he just started leaning right back over. So here I have on the number 1 guard. And the steps with this guard are lever open. Then I'm going to blend at the bottom with the lever closed. And then I'm going to blend in between that with the lever halfway. So just remember, open, closed, and halfway. And I'm being very thorough just because I want the blend to be as smooth as possible. And right here, I'm just removing some weight while I'm in the process. Now the lever is closed. Remember, I told you open, closed, and then halfway. And as you can see, the blend is coming together. That's the thing, guys, with fades. It really doesn't take that long. It's more so about the detail work. Also, certain hair textures, for example, his texture blends really easy, so it just depends. And then now I'm halfway with the lever. So right here, I just have the lever fully open on the clipper, and I'm detailing at this point. So if you guys are returning subscribers of the channel, a lot of times you see me use the half guard, but technically I'm just showing you that you don't have to use the half guard. If you really just use the corner of the blade and just flick out, sometimes you can get away without using the half guard. And then here, once again, I'm just removing that bulk from the parietal ridge. I just want everything to flow. And then for the edge up, guys, don't be mad at me. I was in a rush when I was doing this haircut, so I didn't get the front line up. But if you guys comment below, I would do another tutorial where I'll just do the lineup on this haircut. I know you guys can see that he has light spots in his hairline, so I'm gonna do another tutorial to where I line up the front. So just comment below if you wanna see that. But on the lineup on the sides, we just kept everything as natural and as sharp as possible. Let me know what you guys think, and thank you guys for watching.